Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I will show you how to AirPlay on Hisense Smart TV. This is very simple. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. Now, before you go ahead and try to AirPlay on your Hisense Smart TV, I just want to make sure that you have the AirPlay feature on your Hisense Smart TV. Not all Hisense Smart TV has this feature, but to know if yours have, make sure that your Hisense Smart TV is up to date. Now, if you find it's up to date, click on this input button over here. You can use the one on your remote, but if you don't want to use one on your remote, then use this gadget over here. You are going to see various options. There's TV channels and there is AirPlay. This is AirPlay over here. If you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page over here. Now, this is what is going to happen. For you to AirPlay, now AirPlay only works on iOS devices, so it can be your iPhone, your Mac, or your iPad. Any of these three can work like an AirPlay to your Hisense Smart TV. But there are various conditions. The first condition is that both devices should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then you are good to go. So you can click on here to see the various options. Make sure your devices are on the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. From your video or audio player, tap on the AirPlay icon to stream video or audio or open Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring. Select this television on streaming devices. Now, the phone I could use to AirPlay is the one I'm currently recording my video with, so I cannot actually show that. But if you have an iPhone, just go over to AirPlay after making sure these three methods are met and select Screen Mirroring. You are going to see it's work as simple as that. So it's very simple. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.